Welcome back. So in this activity, this is a challenge activity from code.org, lesson 17, mouse input. And it's called twin spirals. So these spirals turn and change size in in opposite ways. So run the code to see what is making the spiral shrink, grow, and turn. Add code so that the spirals will switch what they are doing when the mouse is pressed down. So right now we just have a draw loop, and if we run it, they're just going to this one's going to head and grow, and this one's going to go ahead and shrink. So we want to do the opposite of that to switch what they're doing. So we're going to use a control thing object here, and it's going to be an if-else. Now what we want to do, we could add these here and then just go ahead and change the else. I'm actually going to change that up, and I'm going to say these are in the else. And so what happens if I don't do anything, if I leave this right here and I went over here to world and I do mouse down and say left button. So if I run this right now, it's just going to run this like it normally would. So you can see this is growing, this is shrinking. So what we want to do is we want to change these up. So basically we're going to take this one right here and we're going to say that instead of divide, we're going to multiply. This one right here, instead of add, we're going to subtract. This one, instead of multiply, we're going to divide. And so we're just going to do opposite of these to get them to go back the other direction, to reverse what they're doing. So we're going to do a dot scale. This will be for spiral 1, or for just spiral. And then we want to, instead of divide, we're going to do multiply. And grab that scale there again. And we're going to do the exact same thing. So 1.01. Now let's go ahead and grab another one. This one will do rotation. Again, spiral. And instead of add, we're going to subtract. Oops. So now if I run this, if I hold the mouse down, see how this one on the left actually does change and the one on the right does not. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add the spiral 2, and this one's going to be divide, and this one's going to be scale as well. So we're going to drag out another scale, and we're going to drag out another rotation. We're going to make this kind of quickly here. So this one's multiply, so now we're looking for a divide. And then this one is, instead of subtract, we're going to add. So then we got to go grab the scale, and this is the rotation. Oh, this is spiral 2. And then this one is going to be 1.01, and this one's going to be, we're going to add 3 because we're coordinating it with this one right here. And this one is with this one. Okay, make sure you spell these correctly. You got a lot going on here, so make sure this is spiral 2, and just make sure that you do the opposite of these. So now if we run this, and if I hold down the left mouse button, it changes. Okay. All right, so again, this is what they originally gave us. This is what we switched. All right. Hopefully that helps you with your coding, and good luck.